compact ratchet head I can get into tighter spaces, say like in the wiper cowls, or I can get like around batteries, battery boxes. I can get down and do like timing covers. It makes it way easier.
In those tight spaces that you can't get your hands in, you can't get your fingers in there, you get that tool down in there to set on that socket without busting your knuckles and squeezing your hands. Very beneficial.
Extended comes in real well for like the deeper inset screws that are further in the wheel well. Sometimes you don't always have the access to pull a wheel just to take that fender liner out. The speed's important because if you can get the fastener out quickly, you can also put it in quickly. When you're a flat rate technician in the business, cutting your time in half is everything.
The speed of it is way different from using, just regular hand tools. Can pull out a wheel well in like less than 5 minutes with one of those. So
the speed absolutely changes our productivity in a day. We're able to get things done faster, more efficiently, so I can get on to the next job right away.
I like the torque. It has enough to break loose most bolts, and you don't have to worry about trying to use a regular ratchet, break it loose, and then take it off with that.
I believe that the new Milwaukee ratchets are actually more power than the pneumatic ratchets.
So I would definitely say after using this tool that the torque that the tool presents equals that, if not sometimes better, than what my pneumatic tool will offer.
The protective boot has its benefits to A, the longevity of the tool to keep stuff from getting in there, and B, the rubber boot keeps you from marring up or causing damage to a vehicle that you're working on.
If I had to recommend it to somebody, I would tell them it's a great product. It's great for tight spots. I mean, it's a small enough head, it's fast, has enough torque. It's great for stuff you can't put your hands into,